guys, Charlie with Adler Development. Disaster strikes again. We got a call this weekend. It was actually a holiday weekend where a homeowner had left the home for 2 hours and came back and found 1 to 2 inches of water in the first floor. You never know when this is going to happen. We'll show you a couple images and photos of what something simple as a water line can cause in a home. Another reason for keeping Adler in your phone book is this holiday weekend is when we got that phone call. We were still able to respond and get out here to handle this situation quickly. These are some large commercial dehumidifiers, and what these do is suck out to 90 to 120 pints of water a day out of the home. This would have been a really bad situation for them. After that 72-hour mark of a water loss, you start to have major mold growth inside of a home. So we were able to get out, take care of it quickly, and mitigate any secondary damages that were to come from this. So keep Adler Restoration in your phone book because we'd like to turn a disaster into a new day.